Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to use Chrome safely, stop your history from being saved, and block ads effectively. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome launches and you can see your main window, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice 3 vertical dots there, which represent Chrome's main menu. Go ahead and click on these 3 dots to reveal a drop-down list of options. This menu is your gateway to all of Chrome's customization and privacy features. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for and click on Settings. This option will take you to Chrome's comprehensive settings page where you can control everything from your search preferences to your privacy and security configurations. Clicking on Settings is essential as it's where we'll make all the necessary changes to protect your browsing activity. Now, once you're on the settings page, look at the left side of the screen where you'll see a navigation panel with various categories. Click on Search Engine from this list. This section controls which search engine Chrome uses by default, and switching to a more privacy-focused option is an important step in protecting your data. When you click this option, you'll see your current search engine displayed, which might be Google or another provider. Next, you'll notice your current search engine listed with a Change button beside it. Click on the Change button to view alternative search engine options. A new window will appear showing you different search engines you can choose from. From this list, select DuckDuckGo and then click Set as Default. DuckDuckGo is a privacy-focused search engine that doesn't track your searches or save your browsing history, which significantly enhances your online privacy compared to traditional search engines. After setting up your new search engine, return to the left side navigation panel and click on Privacy and Security. This section contains all the tools you need to control how Chrome handles your personal data and protects you from online threats. It's one of the most important areas in Chrome settings for maintaining your digital safety. Within the Privacy and Security section, click on Security. This will open a page with several security level options designed to protect you from dangerous websites, downloads, and other online threats. You'll see different protection levels displayed as radio buttons, each offering varying degrees of security. Now click the radio button next to Enhanced Protection. This setting provides Chrome's strongest security features, actively warning you about dangerous sites, downloads, and extensions while also blocking ads and unwanted pop-ups. Enhanced Protection uses Google's safe browsing technology to check sites and downloads in real time, giving you maximum protection while you browse. And that's it. You've successfully configured Chrome to use a privacy-focused search engine that won't save your history, and you've enabled Enhanced Protection to block ads and keep you safe from malicious websites. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.